Hey YouTube, it's Dimitri, and today we're going to do a safety first brand here. So these are the adhesive magnetic child locks here. I bought these at Target. You can get them on Amazon, I believe, as well. We're going to open this up. This is like a big pack of them, so you can buy like one or two. But I mean, if you have a child in the house, you're probably going to have quite a few cabinets. And there are directions that come with this, but it took me a little while to figure out the directions, so I figured I'd just make a quick video. They come in trays, and they've got a lot of little parts, and you have 2 trays of these. And an actual full set of these, so there's a lot of little parts. There's going to be this big locking mechanism here that's going to go underneath the cabinet here. And I'll just show you how it works real quick. You have a button on the side here that you can push. And if you have the button in like this, where the lever on the top is flat, it's going to get stuck on the door here, and you can open and close it with no issues. So you don't need the key to unlock it here. If you press the lever though, it's going to be locked. And so what this means is when you have this on the door here and you close it, this lock will be up and you will not be able to open the cabinet here. So that's the lock in the up position. You're going to have a magnet. Again, you don't have a magnet for every single lock, but you'll have a handful of magnets. I believe this kit comes with 4 of these. And when you put the magnet close to it, you see that lever goes down. And so when that lever goes down, right, you can open and close the door. And then as soon as the magnet is removed, again, the lock is up and you can't open it. So let's just figure out how to do this real quick. I'll show you. It comes with this locking mechanism. It comes with this little installation tab. So we're going to use this, but we'll just toss it. You don't need it afterwards. And then it comes with this plate here. And this plate has a little lip on it. Again, this is going to be where this lock actually catches and it doesn't open. The adhesive I find here, I don't know what type of adhesive it is, but it's 3M VHB adhesive. I find it works well enough. My child is 1 year old now. She kind of rattles the doors, can't open them, and then she leaves. Again, there are little holes in here as well, and they come with a little bag of screws. There's 4 screws, so if you wanted to, you could put 1 screw in each of this plate, and then you could put 1 screw in each of this, locking device here. Again, the holes on this are going to be oblong, so that you can put them in and kind of adjust this up and down. And this one just has straight holes. But let's just go through quickly how to install this. Okay, so first off, you're going to have this orange tab here, and you can see on the bottom, right, there's little kind of nicks here. This little plate piece has 2 holes in this side, and you're going to flip it over so the glue part is sticking up, and you're just going to slide that on there. You can just kind of hold it in place. It'll stay for the most part. And then we're going to first stick this on to the bottom here of the cabinet where we want it to go. So we're going to stick it under here. So put this on, then just peel off this little piece of tape covering. And then make sure that when you have this tray here, this sticky piece is going to be facing out towards you because we're going to stick this to the door to align the lock. So again, you can see here when I close this, I'm going to want it somewhere near the edge. I have a bumper, so I'm going to want to be on the inside of that. Also be aware that you're going to have to put this larger piece on here. It's going to go on this side. So you want to make sure it's not really where the grooves are designed or cut inside of there. So I looked at this, probably right about here. And again, slide the yellow piece as far back as it'll go. It'll align this plate and you press up to stick it. All right, and once it's stuck up here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna unpeel the little piece of glue from that yellow tab. So here's another one of these little tabs here. We just peel off the paper. And now we're just going to close the door, press it, and then open. Now you'll see that the orange yellow tab's not here, but it's stuck onto the door here. And then finally here, we're just going to take our big locking unit, has a little tab on the top. We're going to unpeel the glue from that. And we're actually just going to slide it onto this orange yellow tab. Put the orange yellow tab here at the top where that little lever lock is and just slide it on. And then press. Once you have that in place, hold the lock on and just pull this tab upward to unpeel it. And now you're done with this. You can toss it. Again, make sure that the lever is down. You can press it so it's up, but if you leave it down, it will open and close like a regular door here. I like to let it sit so the glue kind of cures, in my mind at least. But you can press the lever, it'll make the lock go up. When you close it, you can no longer open it. You will need your magnet here to put here. And you can hear it click, and then you can open the door up. Again, if you want easy access again, I don't know, the child's on vacation or something, you can just click it, and then the lock itself won't actually work. So that's how you do a quick installation here of the Safety First child locks with adhesive. Go through the same process if you want to use screws here. So you could take the screws and then just put the 2 in here to make it really secure, and then put the 2 final screws in here, and you're good to go. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, until next time.